Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Here go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Take a 2D sketch, select the exit plane, rotate the view, take here circle command. From the center point, make circle of dia 105 mm. Okay, 3D model, extrude it up to 7.5 mm and press OK. Select this top face, go to create sketch, take circle, from the center point make circle of dia 52, finish sketch, take extrude, take this time extrude of 74.5 mm and this will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now here we are going to make the other profiles. Go to part 1. Now we are going to make this side profile. Go to part 6, origin, and this time we will select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. This will be the front view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, take here rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Just start from this top and make a rectangle. Go to dimension, define this total length of 47 mm and this total will be of 40 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take here extrude, here I'll take symmetric and take a distance 45 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now go to fillet, take here fillet radius of 9, select this top and select this bottom. Okay, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, rotate, you can see the profile and press OK. Now I'll select this face, go to create sketch, take point command, drag the cursor on this and select here the center point. Similarly, drag cursor on this, select the center point. Finish sketch, here take 3D model, hole command, take here counter bore and the top dia here will be of 18 mm and seat or the C bore will be of 2 mm and the bottom dia here will be of 9 mm. This will be a through hole and press OK. Now I want same profile other side as well. Good. Okay, you can see this is normal. Okay, so go to mirror, select hole 1, go to mirror plane, select here the XY plane, rotate, you can see the same profile and press OK. Okay, now rotate, go to part 1, go to front view, rotate this. Now it is having a cut profile over here. Okay, go to part 6 for the cut profile, go to 2D sketch, XY plane, rotate and rotate once more. Okay, now go to arc, take 3-point arc, make the arc profile here. Go to dimension, define the radius here of R50. Okay, the center point from the base will be at 60 mm. Okay, and here the distance from the center, go to line command, we are going to make a center line over here. Escape, select the center line, make it construction, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, sketch, go to dimension, select the center line, select this point, this will be 45 mm and here go to line command, I'll make a closed profile. Okay, so escape, this is a random profile, select this, make it vertical, go to dimension, define this total as 100 mm and scale. We'll join this to make it a closed profile. So go to dimension, define this as 65. So this is the main profile and this is to close the profile. Finish sketch, take extrude, select symmetric, take here cut, take a width of cut as 1.5 mm and press OK. Go to view, visual style, shaded with edges. So this will be the cut profile. Now here we are going to make the rib profiles. Go to home. For the rib profiles, we are going to generate new plane. Go to 3D model. Here go to plane, select here plane, select YZ plane, and here I'll select the Y axis. Take here angle 45 degree and press OK. So a new plane will be generated at 45 degree. Select this new plane, go to create sketch, take here line command and make a profile here, okay, till here and till here. Go to view, visual style, wireframe and go to sketch, take rectangle, take 2-point rectangle and make a profile inside. Dimension, give this dimension 2 mm and give this dimension as 23 and the angle here will be of 60 degree. Escape. Okay, select this, you can see this is moving, so click coincident, select this line, select this point and escape. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this, complete profile, go to home, take here distance of 4 mm and take here symmetric. View, visual style, shaded with edges, rotate. You can see this is a merging profile, so we have taken 2 mm inside and press OK. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Okay, go to 3D model, go to circular pattern, select this, go to rotation axis, select this outer profile, take count of 6 and press OK. Okay, now here we are going to make the other profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, take line command. We'll start from the center point. Okay, start from here, make a straight line, enter. Again we will select here and make one more line, enter and escape. Go to dimension, define this line at 22.5 degree. Okay, take circle command. From this center we will make a circle of dia 80 and escape. Now we are going to select all the profiles, make them construction, take circle command and make a circle on dia 80 of 17.5 diameter, enter. Now here go to circular pattern, select the circle axis, select this axis, take count of 6 and press OK. Finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, take length of 1 mm and press OK. Select this top face, go to create sketch, take circle command, make circle at center of dia 9, finish sketch, take extrude, select dia 9, cut and here I'll take all. So this will be through cut and press OK. Go to circular pattern, select extrude 7, rotation axis, select this, count of 6 and press OK. Okay, so these all are defined now. Now go to part 1. Now we are have constructed all the outer profiles. Now we are going to make this cut profile. Part 6, rotate the view, select this bottom face, go to create sketch, take here point command, click here on the center point and finish sketch. Take here hole command and here I'll take a counter bore, The C-board dia here will be of 55 mm and this will be of 3 mm, the C-board depth, and the bottom dia will be of 44 mm. Go to home, this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now here I'll define the appearance. From here I'll give the appearance here of semi-finished. So I'll click SEM, semi-polished, enter. Now here we are left with one thing. Go to fillet, take here fillet of 1 mm, select this profile, the bottom edge, and press OK. Take here circular pattern, select fillet 2, rotation axis, select this axis, count of 6 and press OK. In addition, you can select this edge, give here a chamfer. You can give a chamfer of 1 and press OK. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do it. Like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.